It's Train of the Century, the dazzling blockchain video game everyone's talking about. Join your fellow railroader in a harrowing adventure to rule the rails and find out who or what's behind the supernatural events in Centuryville. A formidable task, but fear not, railroader. You'll find help from the likes of non-player characters like Transporter Thomas, Zone Otto, The Stranger, and Maureen. Will they point you in the right direction, or will they derail your noble quest? Choo Choo Choose Train of the Century today to start your journey into the Centuryverse. Godspeed, rule the rails.